Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Merrill Lynch for wealth management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Merrill Lynch for wealth management, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Merrill Lynch website URL. Once the page loads, look for the Financial Advisors section on the home page. Click on that section to find various options for connecting with an advisor. You will see a prompt that reads Find a Financial Advisor. Click on that link to start your search. Enter your location in the provided field for personalized results. After submitting your location, you will see a list of advisors near you. Browse through the profiles of available financial advisors. Click on any advisor's profile to learn more about their services and expertise. When you find an advisor that meets your needs, look for the Contact button. Click the Contact button to access their direct phone number and email address. If you prefer to reach out via phone, use the provided number to call the advisor. Alternatively, you can send an email to initiate a conversation. If you have specific questions or topics you wish to discuss, prepare these in advance. Ask about their wealth management services, fees, and investment strategies. If you prefer, you can also schedule a meeting through the website. Follow the instructions for setting up an appointment at your convenience. Once the appointment is confirmed, ensure you have all necessary documents ready. At the meeting, be open and provide details about your financial goals. After your initial consultation, maintain an open line of communication. Regularly check in with your advisor to keep your wealth management plan on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.